Do you want to release your money blocks? Do you want to feel amazing about money right now? Do you want to remove all your money stress right now? Listen to this amazing money meditation that we do in our daily programs. All right, keep your hands on your heart. Remember to keep your eyes closed. Remember to smile. And now repeat with me. I declare making money is easy for me. I declare I am already financially taken care of. I declare I have all the money in the world. I declare I can make as much money as I want to. I declare I can easily help people and make money. I declare I love money and money loves me. I declare money is a peaceful energy. I declare I feel comfortable about money. I declare money is a good friend. I declare I have an amazing relationship with money. I declare I go to money easily. I declare money comes to me easily. I can feel it. Money is all around me. There are billions of people around me. The more people I help, the more money I make. Making money is so easy when I'm peaceful about money. Making money is so much fun when I'm enjoying helping people. Making money is the best thing to do in life because it's all about helping people. I declare making money is very easy. That is why I declare I'm already rich. I have all the money in the world. Open up your eyes, take a seat, and here we go. Today we're going to do something different where we're going to do Ho'oponopono for money. I want you to release all your money blocks in just next 3 days. I want money to flow to you in just the next 3 days. And the best way to do that is to do the most powerful technique in the world, which can help you remove any negative blocks between you and money. Just remove those blocks with that powerful technique right now with me. All you need to do right now is keep your hands on your heart and for a few seconds, close your eyes and repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for all my financial situations. I take 100% responsibility for all my money goals that I am not able to achieve. I take 100% responsibility today for all the struggle that I have manifested in the area of money. All right, now open your eyes and just repeat what I'm saying with me. Say, I'm sorry, dear money, for feeling so stressed about you all the time. I'm really sorry for feeling so desperate about you all the time. I forgot. In school and college, whenever I was desperate for a friend, that friend ran away from me. Don't you agree? Say, I am sorry for giving you this desperate energy. I am sorry for having such a insecure relationship with you. Please forgive me for believing that it is very difficult to invite you in my life. Please forgive me, dear money, for avoiding all the work that I avoid, with which I can easily invite you in my life. Please forgive me for restricting you from only one source of my life. Please forgive me for being stubborn where you should come from. Please forgive me for not respecting you when you have come to me in small forms. Please forgive me for not loving you, for not accepting you when you have come to me without even working for you sometimes. I know I have rejected you many times. Dear money, thank you. Because in spite of all my rejections, in spite of all my desperation, all my insecurity, in spite of all of this, you are still there in my life in so many ways. You are still taking care of me in so many ways. You come to me from surprises that I can't even imagine. Now, I choose to remember all those sources of income and thank you for that. Sometimes you came to me through my mom. Sometimes you came to me through my life partner. Sometimes you came to me from a total stranger. Instead of loving you and accepting you, I felt guilty. I felt small. I'm sorry for that. If somebody else felt that about me as a person, I would stop being their friend. But thank you for still being in my life unconditionally. Now I declare, I love you, dear money. And I love you in any form, small and big, both. I love you, dear money, from any direction of life. You can come from here, you can come from here, you can come from anywhere you want. And I promise you, when you do come to me, in any form, from any direction, I will love and honor you the way you are. I love you for giving me the opportunity to work for you. I work for you because I love you. We all work for someone we love. We all work hard for someone we care. I am so sorry. I did not care enough about you to work for you. Please forgive me for feeling bad when people said to me, you are money-minded. Please forgive me for feeling bad that time. Thank you for reminding me. Being money-minded is loving you, is caring for you, it's working for you. And if I love you, I care for you, I know we have an amazing relationship then. I know you will love me too, which you already do. I know you will care for me too, which you already do. I now choose to heal all my past traumas regarding all my bad experiences of money. Whatever has happened, I leave it in the past. I choose to forget those memories now. And I now choose to create loving memories with you. How would my partner feel if I always remember them and I always talk to them about the past fights, about the times they made a mistake with me, about the times they did not support me? They would feel so bad. I now understand. You don't come to me because I remind you about all the past mistakes. And I'm sorry for that. Please forgive me for that. Dear money, thank you for giving me unlimited chances, for inviting you, for welcoming you, for honoring you, for loving you. I heal all the blocks between us, and I openly invite you from every source of life. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, dear money. That's it. Watch this recording again and again. Do this for 3 days and check how you feel. In fact, why 3 days? Tell me, how are you feeling right now? In the comments, how are you feeling?
Do you want a little more help on this? Do you want to have more experiences in detail? Are you someone like me who loves to go in depth of something? No problem. In the description below in this video, I've given you a link. Click on that link, register there. There's a free Ho'oponopono lesson that I'm doing for full 90 minutes where I give people something I call as tears of joy experience, where in the session itself, you'll release all your negative emotions that you've got accumulated unconsciously, subconsciously. We've got so many negative emotions within us. Let's release all of that. You'll feel so happy during the session. You'll literally have tears of joy. I promise you that.